The investment world has taken a new turn, and now, there are multiple ways of putting your hard-earned money to work, hoping for high-end returns. The potential for significant returns is high, with most solid projects skyrocketing in value. In the crypto world, all potential crypto ventures must stay up to date on market dynamics and evolution as new tokens emerge every day with amazing features and stunning investment opportunities. One such currency is the Moshe Token XMU, which has a promising future and is expected to reward its early investors. According to reports, new and seasoned crypto investors alike feel confident in investing in coins whose networks are constantly being updated. This gives coins like Moshe Token XMU an upper hand in the crypto industry. Not leaving out these popular sensations, Ethereum and Litecoin, we shall be discussing these three cryptocurrencies in this video. Ethereum put in the work and worked its way up to rub shoulders with Bitcoin. Ethereum, which Vitalik Buterin built, has become a titan, as it has secured its status as the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. One of its most prominent features is its smart contract capabilities, applied to decentralized finance (DeFi) and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). There are projections that the Ethereum network would move the development of blockchain technology to another level. Proof-of-stake PoA's consensus will cut Ethereum's power consumption, which is good news for the network. An estimated 150,000 transactions per second (TPS) are expected to be possible once all changes have been implemented in Ethereum. When it entirely switches to a proof-of-stake mechanism, Ethereum will use 99% less energy, be significantly faster, and be drastically cheaper, enabling it to grow, expand, and potentially exceed Bitcoin. This, however, is one of the reasons why investing in Ethereum could be a wonderful idea. Litecoin is one of the earlier cryptocurrencies to grace the industry just after Bitcoin and has tried to maintain relevance over the years. Litecoin was founded on the Bitcoin blockchain network, and it was made as a mini version of Bitcoin. The project runs on the mandate of increased speed, maximum security and encryption, and low costs in validating transactions across the network. Litecoin also has a vibrant developer community and is frequently utilized as a test bed for other digital currency initiatives due to its high developer activity and ease of usage. Over a decade old now, Litecoin has maintained its spot in the top 50 cryptocurrencies and ranks 21st on CoinMarketCap at the time of writing. This makes Litecoin a potential investment opportunity you may not wish to miss. Moshe Token XMU new releases always have some hype and buzz surrounding them. But with Moshe Token XMU, this is justified as there are many valuable features to look forward to. This novel crypto token is currently in its pre-sale stage, and via its mission statements, goals, and objective, it has promised to be much more than a mere coin. The Moshe Token XMU has taken on a project to ensure an ambient environment that'll make it a lot easier to spend crypto, carry out transactions, earn rewards, and even switch to fiat currency. For token holders, Moshe prioritizes a safe, easy, and speedy experience. Additionally, investors can look forward to reduced transaction costs. Because of the speed and scalability of its networks, Moshe Token XMU is able to keep its trading fees low. This is one coin you should consider investing in for the long run. Thanks for watching.